Hey everyone, Josh, the old married gamer here, and this is something that I just learned right now about Photoshop 2020, the latest update if you have the cloud-based um, Adobe Photoshop 2020. Check this out. So we're gonna open up a picture. I'm just gonna take any of these here. Like, let me show you what they are. Pictures from the Hybrid School of Wrestling, with extra large icons that I took in front of a background. So we'll choose Maddie's picture right here. Open image. We're not going to change any settings whatsoever. Just raw straight out of the camera like this. And look at this. Select subject. I'm going to hit one button. You ready? Photoshop's going to think for a little bit, and it's like, oh, this is the main part of the picture. So if I go over here, and I know I have a weird way of doing this. You can mat things out and all that, but this is the way that I do it. Select inverse. I want to change that background, and what? All I did was hit one button. I mean, I still have to go in here and delete out some of the edges, but check it out. So if I'm using the object select tool, it's like, oh, look at this. Oh, yeah, didn't want that. I got part of her shirt there, but I mean, it's not that bad. Let's see if it does anything with her hair. Look at that. Look at that. And then still, if you wanted to tune something up, go over here, hit a button. Oh, I've got everything selected. What a deet. All right, deselect. Go back over to my eraser. And look, it's gone. In the time it took to make this video, and say we wanted to just drop a background back there. Why isn't it not moving? There it goes. It's not moving because I'm recording. That's why. And where is my bucket? I just recently moved all these buttons around when I know I shouldn't have, but I did. And so check it out. Boom. There it goes. So from... I didn't prep for this video at all. From that to that in just a couple of clicks. Here, let's do it again. So I have that one right there. Select subject. Boom. Inverse. Look. Once again, we have to come in here and do this. Well, I mean, it's got some things in it, but it's so much easier than what we had to do before. All right, Josh, the old married gamer. This is Photoshop 2020, and yeah, here let's open up another one. Benny Bravo over here. All right, open up the picture. I mean, you could also do it this way. Watch. Select subject. I like having an extra one. Okay, so there he is right there. Go over here. Hit the mask. Look at that. Look. Oops. Hit the wrong thing. Look at that. Yes, we need to clean up a couple little thingamabobs here and there. But... oh, I guess it would help if I'm in the actual picture, right? Look at that. This thing is great. All right. So until next time, Josh, the old married gamer, and Photoshop 2020, this is the select subject tool. All right. Until next time. Peace.